Hi guys, and good morning and Merry Christmas everyone. Tomorrow, Merry Christmas. You playing the camera. Hi guys, good morning everyone, and thank you so much to all the viewer and subscriber who supporting our video. Let's eat breakfast day. Our video starting our breakfast. Tomorrow is Christmas na guys. I know. Yeah. Tomorrow midnight. Because 23 na today. Merry Christmas everyone. Let's eat breakfast guys. Our breakfast for today is noodles. I think it's not bad. You eat noodles once for a while. Right? Not every day. Once a week it's fine. Coffee. This is the last coffee. Pacquiao coffee. Let's eat guys. Higo po sa mga. Wow. Last night survived. No aircon guys. It's not hot here usually. We use only electric fan in living room. And then last night we tried to not on the aircon in the bedroom while sleeping. It's not hot. But I think you need to on. No? It's good temperature last night. Yeah. Usually it's not hot here guys. This unit is not hot. Even no AC, it's fine. In living room, we use electric fan. It's not hot. Nice weather here inside the unit. Yesterday, whole day, whole night, last night, no aircon. But no need to use blanket. I think because we're here in the second floor. Because until 7th floor, right? And then roof deck. I think that's the reason. Colder. But if you go outside, you feel the heat. It's heat guys. Walking guys. Ito yung mail holder guys. Living building here. I need to walk a little bit. The main gate right there. Ito yung Melhor building. Walking, going there guys. In the other side have gate also, so you can buy something over there, local food. Have canteen, have selling groceries, price. Selling fish also and dry fish. Have big shop also and laundry. Kuya painting right there. Difficult job. Imagine like that. Morning. Kuya painting right there guys. Difficult job. Guys, man ang tamang ko dito eh. Yan yung dekorasyon nila sa clubhouse. Dekorasyon. Yan yung banda ba yung swimming pool. Swimming pool banda. Yan yung clubhouse. Okay, ito yung swimming pool eh. Area ng swimming pool. Malawak siya. May mga seat. Ito yung swimming pool. Right there. Right there, the pool. Malawak naman yung swimming pool doon. Pupunta ako dito night kasi magandang light dito sa night. Nice to walk here, guy. It's not hot because have lot of trees, surrounding lot of trees. Makakatulong yung trees. Lot of trees surrounding by trees, guy. So that's it's not hot. Pwede maglaro yung kid dito, guys. Ito, I don't know what is this. This one.
Go lang, sister.
Fitness gym. May gym pala dito. And then yung tubig.